let's move on to the section which is all about celebrating success, celebrating contribution, celebrating excellence, celebrating how we make sure that we are taking care of the business. We are ensuring that MSMEs are being given the right liquidity in the market. And the award goes to SBI Bank. SBI, the highest throughput, being a market leader in this position. SBI has served the maximum number in a period of only 10 months. Canara Bank with highest throughput in the category. I request Canara Bank team to join us and receive the award.
Thank you very much, sir. A round of applause. A big round of applause
to Canara
Let the
Bank.
applause not die down.
And the last bank in this category, Indian Overseas Bank, the representatives from India, Game Changer PSU. And the winner is Punjab National Bank with maximum amount of throughput.
Purushottam Sharma sir and his team, please
I request
come on the stage.
Punjab National Bank and his team to join us on stage. The fastest bidding on our platform. And the award goes to Bank of India. I request Bank of India team to join and huge round of applause. The all-rounder PSU Bank. And why all-rounder? Because they are not just doing business on M1, they are on M2, M3, and on the deep tier financing S2S. I'm calling upon stage Bank of Baroda. हाथ रुकने नहीं चाहिए, तालियां बजती रहें. Team to join and receive the award for doing the highest throughput in the category and having the best digital adoption. And representatives to come and collect the awards. Category of award is Emerging NBFC on M1 Exchange platform.
And Aditya Birla Finance Company. A big round of applause.
In the NBFC one with the highest throughput, NBFC, and the award goes to G.
Super.
Congratulations, Geo. SBI Global Factors Limited.
For them.
तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
SBI
Put your hands
Factors.
together.
SBI Factors. Let's say.
Awards, Small Finance Bank, and we have Unity Small Finance Bank as a winner. Congratulations, Unity Small Finance Bank. They have been participating aggressively on S2S product, making sure it's the most promising factor in the
in Gift City and the first to partner with M1 Next, may I request Hirva Mamtora ma'am to please step forward on behalf of India Exim Finserv IFSC.
Finserv is helping build IFSC business. Congratulations.
Announce the highest grosser on M1 Next platform, a financier based out of Hong Kong with specialization in retail and textile industry, Air 8.
Air 8 PT Limited. I request Air 8 team.
Our most innovative finance company on M1 Next platform. They have got 3 avatars, Singapore-based, USA-based, and in our own GIFT City IFSC, Mowgli Asia Labs, and Credilix.